All right, baby. It's time.
Good morning from Kuala Lumpur. Well, shall we see what this day has for us to taste?
Yes, we haven't looked yet.
Behind curtain number one, we find Kuala Lumpur has...
It's
sunshine!
Gorgeous! Yay! It's a beautiful day. Wow, this is actually one of the best days since we got here, I think.
Ooh.
I mean, it's a city, so it is a bit smoggy, but not as bad as it's been. And no rain.
We are heading to the park, to the botanical gardens, and to the butterfly garden. One of my favorite
And the
spots.
bird park.
Oh, yeah.
I'm so excited. We're getting out in nature.
Can we get some coffee first?
Of course.
Okay, let's go. You rolled it.
All right. It is day 2 of our new daily taste that brings you along on our nomad life virtually. And this is it. We woke up. We checked the weather. We're getting coffee.
Coffee.
What should we have for breakfast, baby?
Coffee.
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 We need energy. We're going to go walk in the parks.
We need
Peanut butter toast, granola,
any of the
oatmeal, eggs.
Does it include coffee?
One thing we do carry is this little milk frother. It's battery, it's super easy. Froth it up, put it in the microwave. That's a lot of milk though. Is any coffee gonna fit in there?
I don't know, we'll find out.
That might be enough for 2 cups.
Oh.
I told you that was too full. Oh my gosh, Tim.
Man, we made a little bit of a mess.
My gosh.
Burning my hand, burning my hand.
So when we got it out there, it's just all white. It's just water that came through. Like,
yeah, so you didn't punch through
this
here.
Coffee machine has so many problems.
It's
punching.
temperamental.
So temperamental. And we only have 2 mugs. It's not like we can put it in a different one. Well, let's just use one of these bowls before I put the cereal in it to test run it. I'll just use the water milk on my cereal.
No.
Because we don't have tons of cereal. I mean, we don't have tons of milk, so.
That's true.
It's fine. It's no big deal. We literally punched it with a knife the other day to make sure it would work.
Yeah, we'll do that just to, like it's
So,
here that it needs to.
Every Airbnb has different coffee systems. You have to use different pods. Even though they look like they're gonna work, they don't always work. That applies to systems and pods. And you have to MacGyver things a lot. So luckily, I live with the original MacGyver. They probably based the show on you because you've always been like that.
Yeah, well, this is making me nervous now.
But here, try it with the bowl.
All right.
So we've also had problems with it, like not drawing water in the back. Not enough problems to really contact the Airbnb host. We did have problems with the bum gun when we moved in.
Yeah, it leaked like a sieve.
Yeah, so we did call and they put in a new bum gun. I mean, super great host here. Let's just hope the coffee machine.
All right, we got coffee.
There's some nice dark roast coming through. Pike's Place roast. I don't know if it's dark. Not a huge coffee connoisseur. If you do the buy me a coffee, because you love these videos, I'm gonna buy wine.
Oh, you are not. I'll buy you a coffee.
Oh, it's kind of pretty. Why is it? That's weird.
No, that's not. That's how it works. It's thinning out. Comes in initially strong.
Comes in initially strong and then it thins out like hair, you mean?
Hey now, knock that off. Just for that, instead of cereal this morning, you get a bowl of coffee.
And a glass of milk. A cup of milk. Okay. Should I just dump my cereal in the mug?
No, there's no room for it in the mug.
Yeah, first of all, when we have an Airbnb with a kitchen, we are pretty sophisticated gourmets. Here's our usual.
Breakfast of champions.
I branched out and got toasted muesli this time.
Nice.
You know. And some blueberries.
Nice.
Brain health. I need that. We all know.
Yep.
And some milk. Okay, this will be yours. I'm going to dump the cup of milk in mine. After.
We figure out how to...
Oh. Okay. I can make it. I can make it.
No, don't.
Why?
I don't know.
We've got to have an intermediary here. Whoa. That is strong. Whoa. Okay. My muesli is going to be a little bit more like oatmeal this morning because it's coming in hot. Probably could have used that milk on both of our bowls. That's a lot of milk.
It's because it's watered down.
I don't know what to do with the rest.
Just leave it like that and we'll pour coffee into it.
Oh, okay. Perfect. Okay, so we're doing our daily routine. And then we're hitting the road.
Yep. All right, we finished our morning routine, got up, got moving, and now it's time to go check out the fun stuff.
It's clear until 10:30.
Okay, it takes a while for old people to get around, all right?
We're gonna go see birds. Yay! Want to see where we're going?
Where are we going?
We're gonna take the directions to the bird park. Okay, we're gonna do public transportation. So the best, I say we do this. Taking a rest for a minute. I just want to say it's actually 90 degrees and 63%, is that what I said?
Yep.
Humidity, so it's really not that hot. It's just that honestly this is probably the worst day to film our real life for you guys because the sun is actually really shining today, and when the sun shines it's hotter, right? It's been perfect weather since Siem Reap 2 months ago. We haven't hardly had a day that was hot. Today's the hottest day we've had. Today is also the first time in the entire year that we've been traveling that we've had so much problems trying to find a place and to manage the public transportation. So the only exception was at the airport in Bangkok.
But here's the thing. This is us. This is our real day.
Yeah. This is raw, real. This is real as it gets. We're taking you through the problem. I'm just sad that the problem happened on day 2 of this little vlog because I don't want you to think the nomad life is hard. It's really not hard. It's just been a really long, hard day from the coffee to the transportation, but it's fine. I mean, we've been happy and joking around the whole time. We're just hot and tired. But it's just not that representative of whether it's easy or hard to get around. Sometimes it's like this, but you know.
True that.
We've been having a great time. We're just getting a little hot and hangry.
Hangry.
I just need some food and hopefully some air conditioning. That's probably going to be the only thing we do today.
It is going to be the only thing we do today.
And then we go back to the apartment and dunk in the pool.
Yep.
How does that sound? Oh my gosh, I'm obsessing about the pool right now. Completely while I walk. Oh, right. There's a monkey. Should have just took a grab.
Oh.
Oh yes.
Restaurant.
It's indoors.
Sit down.
Probably needs air conditioning.
Yay. Huh.
Okay, real fast guys, because I know this is the kind of stuff I wanted to know. So the bathrooms here in Malaysia, not the cleanest. Even though they have like very high star rating signs on the outsides. But anyways, always take some toilet paper with you because you never know what's going to happen. Of course, after I went and used my own Kleenex, I found out that basically instead of some kind of towel for your hands, they had a roll of toilet paper hanging by the sink. So sometimes you can find toilet paper by the sink or by the door. Just want to mention.
We made it to the restaurant.
We made it. We did not get to sit in the AC inside, but actually it's perfectly lovely out here, and we have a fan blowing right on us. Our fried nomads style. Of course we have to. A bunch of
some lime juice on it.
Oh, the lime juice is the best part.
Yeah, I got a little chicken cordon bleu that looks a little orange.
You can see the mosque over there in the background. You can hear the prayers going right now. I just wanted to let you know it's $26 for our lunch. Significantly higher than if you bought it somewhere else, but we needed it. On to the bird park. We are now refreshed. Yeah. I checked and it is the largest free-flying aviary in the world.
All of you tiny birds, come and listen to my song. And you bigger birds, try and sing along. Many stately birds walking round the town. Many stately birds strutting round loud and proud.
Ah, so peaceful, so nice.
This is what we needed.
Absolutely.
Once you get away from the entrance area, the crowds really thin out and there's places to sit and relax and enjoy the beauty. Look how quiet it is. All you hear is birds.
Yeah.
It's really a beautiful, beautiful bird park. Just having them all. Now we're away from most of the cages and most of the birds are just free flying and walking around. And gorgeous.
Cool thing.
Did you forget how to fly as you listen to the call? Never had time to cry. Now there's something wrong. Many stately birds walking round the town. Many stately birds.
Hey, just wanted to say, bird, what is that?
Bird park?
Bird park. Totally worth it.
Oh, yeah.
Had a great time.
It was worth even all the hassle that we should not have put ourselves through. But it was so fun. We had a great time. Did you?
Absolutely.
I would do it again in a heartbeat. I can't believe we stayed there so long.
And we're pretty much there all afternoon.
All afternoon. It's like almost 4:30. So anyways, we're taking Brad home and it's only a couple bucks. So we should have done that to start. We knew. Someone told us.
Oh well.
We all need to have fun and explore. Ah, well, there you go. Thanks for joining this crazy day with us.
We'll see you later.
You rolled in, smoking out my summer night. Got my mind spinning like some Chevy tires. Tiny waist, lips were laced with cherry wine. I bet you're trouble with